of time in the past. And the problem is you can't change it. You're constantly focused on what's missing versus what you have. You're focused on what you can't control. And there's two worlds, right? The external world, the internal world. We can't control the external world, we can influence it. The part we can control is what's going on inside of us. And that we can control what we focus on. We can control the meaning. We can decide the meaning. We're the meaning makers, and we can decide what to do. And when we can make those three decisions, we're in control of our life, and all the anxiety and bullshit tends to go away, especially if we're trying to do that to serve something more than ourselves. Because you can't serve something more than yourself and not benefit. When you want some self-esteem, do something worthwhile beyond just yourself. We all know the two emotions that destroy your relationship, your business, your life, it's fear and anger. Those are two extremes. You can't be grateful and fearful simultaneously. You can't be angry and grateful simultaneously. But like you look at somebody like Steph Curry, and you see this guy, shoot the ball from almost half court. So he doesn't even look. He turns around and just waves because he knows it's in already. And there's swish, and the crowd goes crazy. And people look at that and go, he's unbelievable. He's unbelievable. He's the greatest three-point shooter in history. There's no one like him. But what they don't pay attention to is that isn't like a little gift. He shoots 500 shots every single day, never less than that, 7 days a week, for more than 15 years. His 15-year professional career. He's been doing it since before he was in college. His dad really trained him. So think of that, 3,500 shots a week, 168,000 shots in a year, 2 million shots in his 15-year NBA career, so he can make 3,600 shots. Not even 1/10 of 1%. I tell people, you get rewarded in public for what you practice in private. I think everything happens for a reason. I think there's a higher purpose. I think it's my job to find it. I think that life happens for us, not to us, but it's our job to figure it out. You're gonna battle with internal things within you and external things, but if you keep going, you're gonna eventually slay your dragons and you come out and the hero of your own life and you have something to share that isn't bullshit. It's not something you read somewhere, it's something you've lived.
Something you want.
And everybody can feel you've lived it because it's a different level of ownership, And then, by the way, as soon as you do that, it happens again. You're called on another journey. You have a new level of challenge that you need to go on. It just never ends, but it makes life really, really beautiful.
How can people who are always very hard on themselves learn to build up their self-esteem a little bit more?
I don't know if self-esteem is the answer. I don't think it's bad to be hard on yourself, as long as you also celebrate when the victories happen. But so many people will tell you, I have poor self-esteem because when I was a kid, people said this to me and that to me. And it's convenient that we remember those things and not the positive things that also occur, obviously. But I think it's more important is to realize that self-esteem is earned. It's only earned by you with yourself. You're not going to get self-esteem because everybody praises you. Someone can tell you your whole life that you're brilliant, you're a genius, you're beautiful, you're handsome, and you not believe it. Someone can tell you, you're a piece of crap and you're never going to become anything, and there's a part you can say, I'll show you, as many people have, and then they develop drive out of it, right? So it's really, self-esteem comes from doing incredibly difficult things where you pushed yourself. It's not virtue signaling, it's not telling people about it. It's what inside your soul is true. And the more you do things that are incredibly difficult, and especially things that are meaningful, meaning they're not just about yourself, the higher that esteem would be. I think the most important thing for self-esteem is to find something you care about more than yourself. If you find something you care about more than you won't be thinking about yourself all the time, and all your bullshit self-esteem just goes out the window.
I have been shouting since 2023 that learn ChatGPT, learn AI tools. Many people...
The real question is, what do you want? If you want an extraordinary life, my definition of that is life on your terms. Some people, it's 3 beautiful children, a white picket fence. Some people, it's building a
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to tonight's presentation of ReinBNB. And let's have a look at why this is the best platform currently in the online market space. So welcome to the electrifying world of Rain-BNB. We want to get this thing going here. There we go. Right, Rain-BNB is the next generation of Ride BNB that started on the 7th of August 2024. So in the meantime, 16th of January, the Rain-BNB smart contract was launched because there was a glitch in the OPBNB network of the Ride BNB contract, which was not foreseen, and nobody could change that. So they had to rewrite a totally different new smart contract, and which is now called Rain-BNB, which started on the 16th of January this year. So let's have a look at this. First, I want to give you a warning before we carry on with this presentation that the information that is contained in this presentation has the potential to change your life dramatically if you take this very serious. And believe me that it is true. There has been many millionaires created within this last 9 months since the start of Ride BNB last year. So let's see if what you need to do to follow in the footsteps of those members as well. Right, we know that everybody worldwide needs an income. But the question that we have to ask ourselves is, who wants to fail in life? And if you ask that question, then the answer will always be no one. Nobody wants to fail in this life. But then on the other hand, when people ask you that question, you think that immediately your thoughts go to if you think about success, you think about being wealthy, being rich, having lots of money. And then, but sadly, in the same sentence, we see that research has shown worldwide that 97% of people remain mediocre and average, but only 3% will ever achieve wealth and success. So the reasons that people are just on average and mediocre is because they have a lack of burning desire. They have a poor mindset. They are full of excuses. We just call that excusitis. Or they just give up too easily and they want to sit back and wait for the money to fall out of heaven, which will never happen. Right, they also fail to seize the right opportunity at the right time, and they overanalyze. They tend to overanalyze things, and they listen to the uncle in another country that read some newspaper article 50 years ago about something, and they still believe it, and they will not take action and do research themselves. They will listen to other people. They will be gripped by fear, and they will not go over to action. Or they have a lack of trust and transparency in the system itself. Or the system itself has a lack of trust and transparency. Right now, and there's also the absence of a genuine and a legit system that people can trust, that they can put their faith in, and they can invest with a peace of mind that they know that tomorrow the platform is still going to be there, that nothing can take that away or stop it or take it off the internet, or the website can be blocked or anything like that. So these things, it is crippling people in trying to make a decision to start or to take action. So at the end of the day, people are their own biggest enemy, actually. We have everything in our capability to make a huge success, but our own fear of taking action blocks us and keeps us from reaching success. Right, please forget everything that you've learned in this industry or any other previous experience that you had been dealing with other platforms or scams. I believe all of us, or most of us, has walked through this same route already. We all have been scammed previously. We all lost money, but this platform is totally different from any other platform. And you will see in the next slide, you will see why do I say that. So Rain-BNB, here we have the solution. If you have life goals, if you seek additional income, if you aspire to achieve greatness, and if you are passionate to reaching any of these objectives, then Rain-BNB is the solution for everyone. All right, so we present you with a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that will last you for a lifetime, and you will earn exceptional income in Rain-BNB, whether you work on it part-time or only full-time as well. So You will see all the freedom that you have in RainBnB. The trust is here. Everything that you are looking for in a platform to generate extra income or a full-time income is available in RainBnB. Right, this is a cutting-edge 21st century business model which creates a win-win situation for every member that is involved here. Please understand what is RainBnB. This is a pioneering community building platform on the OPBNB blockchain network. So some of you might be new here. Don't worry if you see words that you do not recognize or that might be new to you. You don't have to be a crypto expert or a financial advisor or any knowledge about that. All of these things will be taught to you. It is new to many of us. So if it's new to you, don't stress too much about that. Right, so in RainBnB, people or members are accumulating BNB by building the community. Right, so RainBnB has been established by a team of experts from Russia and Europe, Eastern Europe. And those people, they share a united passion for blockchain and AI and artificial intelligence, and they have deep expertise on blockchain and artificial intelligence, which they put to use in the smart contract of RainBnB to generate income for themselves, not only for themselves, for every member involved here. They also have a big roadmap ahead of big plans for the future, which we will get to the end of this presentation, and we'll talk about that a little bit more. So RainBnB is not a donation platform. It's not a return on investment platform. You can be paid on a daily basis here. So this is not your typical investment platform where you put in money and you wait for a certain percentage return every 24 hours or a week or whatever. This is not the platform for that. RainBnB is also not a donation platform, but you will receive big payments if you meet the requirements of this smart contract. Right, if you follow these basic steps, ladies and gentlemen, you will make a huge success and you will make a huge ton of BNB. I can basically guarantee you that there's nothing that can, as long as you have an internet connection and you follow these basic steps, you will be successful and you will make BNB. You will accumulate a lot of BNB in RainBnB. So let's look at the mission and the vision of RainBnB. The mission is to empower and unite individuals globally through a decentralized community building platform. And please take note of some words in the presentation, and many of the stuff is being repeated, but it is done on a purpose. Because if you repeat something, the more and more you repeat it and you hear it, then it starts to sink in and you start to understand the main reasons behind it. This is very important. Any platform that you do join or where you put your money in to generate extra income, if it is centralized, there is a huge risk because that means that a third party, someone else has access to your funds. RainBnB is 100% decentralized, meaning that nobody has any control over your money that you put in this smart contract. You put the money in, the smart contract takes the place of that third party, and the smart contract, which does not have any emotions, this smart contract controls and manages all the transactions. It makes all the payments, it makes all the withdrawals immediately to your connected wallet. So you do not have to worry about that. Send me the money now or send the withdrawal, I'm waiting for it. There's nothing like that in RainBnB. All transactions, all withdrawals are done instantly in a millisecond, and you receive your money when you qualify. Right, so the vision is to be the leading platform that revolutionizes community engagement and driving collective success and innovation in a decentralized ecosystem. Again, decentralized. RainBnB even has their own application, which is totally decentralized, which you cannot download on any Play Store or App Store. It is only available on the official Telegram channel and also on your back office when you do log in through your Web3 wallet. You can download it directly from there. And that's the only places where you can get hold of this application. Right, so Let's look at this picture here on the right-hand side. The definition of smart contracts. What is a smart contract? And this might be new to you as well. A smart contract is a self-executing, take note of that word, self-executing. It does not need any third party to operate it. It is running like a robot. It's running on its own. The codes have been written, the laws have been given to this smart contract. It is already distributed, it's active, it's waiting for the commands to come, and then it will do exactly as it was programmed to do, as the codes have been written to perform. And then also it's a self-executing trustless agreement. Now the word trustless you might think that this will throw you off. The definition of trustless in this context means that you do not have to trust a third party, a bank, a person, or any intermediary that could operate between you and your cryptocurrency transactions or holdings. So here's another big reason for you to have full trust in this platform of RainBNB. The trust issue that we normally get in other platforms that are known to be scam sites or websites, that is totally removed here. There is no human control, no owner controls this platform. The smart contract manages each and every aspect of this platform. So that will put your mind at ease, and you will be able to buy positions here with peace of mind, and you know that your money is not going to be stolen by anybody. Right, so let's look at why RainBNB is 100% risk-free and 100% scam-free. RainBNB is a decentralized platform, again the word decentralized, and totally unique platform, and it's also a proper business on its own. Right, so it's 100% risk and scam-free, but why? This is the reason, because no money is kept on this smart contract that can be withdrawn by anybody or stolen by anyone or sent to some other person. That is the main reason for most of the previous smart contract platforms. They have a huge balance, and they show you that balance, and they say, look at how much liquidity we have on the smart contract that we pay out the people. But in the meantime, they do not tell you that the owners have access to those funds, and they can move those funds. This platform is 100% decentralized. Nobody has any or can change the smart contract. The balance on the smart contract is always zero and will always stay zero, because nobody can change the smart contract. Not even the developers can change the smart contract. If they want to make any changes, they'll have to rewrite a totally different one. But even if they do that, this smart contract will still carry on performing as it was coded or written to do. And it will carry on like that until the day that the internet stops to exist on planet Earth. So the main reason for RainBNB being risk-free and scam-free is because there's zero balance on the smart contract, and it will always be like that. Because all of the BNB that is paid into the platform for registrations and upgrades, it is distributed immediately to the qualifying members or wallets. Because you might wonder how can we generate money because there's no money on the smart contract? And this is the reason, because all of the BNB gets paid out to the qualifying members immediately. And that is what makes this scam-free, because there's no money that can be stolen, and your money cannot be diverted to somebody else. It's 100% risk-free. There's no risk involved. Not even your registration fee is any risk, because you cannot lose that. It will always be there. Your position will always be on the blockchain. Even if you leave it for years to come, as long as you have internet existence, you can still carry on working, and this smart contract will operate exactly as it was written the first day it was deployed. Right, let us look at more reasons to join RainBNB. Excuse me. The first reason, again, is it's fully decentralized platform. That means there's no ownership control. There's no human control. There's no third party that can interfere here. You do not need to build a big community, right? The minimum requirement of this smart contract is you need to refer a minimum of 2 other people directly to with your link. And for you to qualify to receive more payments and more bonuses. Right, so it's also not limited to any working hours. This is a global business. You can work on RainBnB 24/7. This contract never stops. It never sleeps. The internet never sleeps. As long as you have internet connection, you can work on the smart contract on RainBnB. Nobody can change the smart contract, not even the developers. This is very important, people. You do not want someone in control of your money if you are trying to build up a business or to generate income. Here, no one is in control of your money. Nobody can get hold of your money except yourself. It is also not dependent on any website. It is totally operated on the blockchain. So even if the URLs, the back office that we work on, even if those websites are blocked or taken down for some reason, you can still work directly on the smart contract that is linked to the blockchain. You do not need a website to access your account and to work on the smart contract. You can work directly on the blockchain. Right. Also, you can be your own boss in this business, and many of us we are dreaming of that since we were very, very young, obviously. Here you have all the freedom that you need, that you want to work in. You decide your own hours, you decide your own targets, you decide you are in charge of your own business. You do as you want in this business. Nobody can tell you how to run this for yourself. Right? It's a business for a lifetime. And it's only dependent on the internet existence. So as long as the internet on Earth is available, then this smart contract will operate. Then you can work on the smart contract. Nothing else can hinder you from working in RainBnB. If you have an internet connection, you are good to go. Right. There's also no monthly fees like many other platforms. You do not have to worry about that your account will be blocked by month end, or you have a certain deadline to meet and then your account is not active anymore. There's no such thing in RainBnB. Once you are registered, your account is active and there is no stopping you. You can just claim all or build your community and claim all whatever you can claim in BNB. There's nothing that can stop you now. Right, there's also no products to sell or to ship around, no physical products. The product in RainBnB is the coin BNB itself. That makes RainBnB liability free. You do not have the logistical issues that you have to put up with products that needs to be shipped and stored and all that we get in other platforms as well. Yeah, there's no such thing. There's no targets to meet, as I said already. You decide your own targets. You set yourself your own deadlines. You set yourself your own goals. How much BNB you want to earn. How much you want to earn after how many days or weeks or months or years. You decide how much you want to be. There's nobody tells you here what to do and when to earn. But on the other hand, if you just don't do anything, you will not receive anything. This platform is 100% transparent. Everything is recorded on the blockchain. Every transaction is available for everyone and anyone to see. Right, it's 100% risk and scam free, and you will never lose your money. This is to be understood. You cannot lose your money. In the same sentence, if you do not comply with the requirements of the smart contract, you will not make money as well. It's legal in most countries where cryptocurrencies are legal, and we know that cryptocurrency is taking the world by storm this last couple of months. So yes, and it is. Many people are waking up to the reality of cryptocurrencies because it's just money in a different type or a different form. Right, payments are done instantly. You do not have to worry about making withdrawal requests or anything like that, or waiting for your money. When you meet the requirements of the smart contract, you get paid instantly in milliseconds. right? And it goes directly to your connected wallet. From there on, you need to exchange the BNB to your own local country's currency, and then you transfer that to your bank. So Rain BNB pays you immediately, directly to your connected wallet. Right, you and you alone are in control of your own money. As we said already, there's no other third party in control here. It's 100% scam free, as we said already. The coin that they are using to remunerate the members or to pay the members in Rain BNB is BNB coin. It's the Binance coin. And we'll look at detail about the Binance coin in a couple of slides from now. But BNB coin is the fifth strongest currently on coin market cap, actually number 4, because USDT is a stable coin, but we'll speak about it a little bit later. Right, this platform has got the best compensation plan in the history of any online platform business. There is nothing that comes close to this compensation plan. And with that, me and yourself, we want to earn extra income or a full-time income, and that's a reason for you to join Rain BNB. Because if you keep and you meet the requirements of this smart contract, you will make money. You will be successful. Let us look at the BNB and what is BNB a bit in detail. Right, BNB was launched by Binance in July of 2017. And currently, Binance is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange worldwide. So I believe every one of us, we have heard about BNB and Binance, and we know what is Binance. It is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange currently worldwide. I also believe that most of our members are accustomed or used to Binance or are using Binance themselves. So BNB, the coin, when it was launched in July of 2017, it was 10 US dollar cents per one coin. So let's look at the growth in the last, or the overall growth is more than 8,400% already, because this was on the value of just under $600. And today it's 600, I saw it was 650 something a couple of minutes ago. So at the moment it's hovering around $650. Right, and this is the overall growth, the all-time growth is more than 8,400% already. Now, if you compare that with any other investment, it's not to put anything down, but if you compare apples with apples now, you can do your own calculations, and that will speak all the what you want to know about it. So yes, the 5-year growth of BNB is plus 3,600% in the last 5 years of the BNB coin only. So let's look at the future predictions. Is that by the end of this year, they predict that it can reach at least a high of $1,000. Some people even $1,500. But they predict that the average price for this year will be $790. And then in the next 2 to 5 years, it can reach between $4,000 to $10,000 per Binance coin. And you will see now how many BNB coins you can earn in Rain BNB. The maximum per account is 1.48 million BNB per account that you can accumulate in Rain BNB. Keep that in mind, and keep in mind that one BNB is currently trading around $650. So that is a huge difference, and that type, just one BNB in many countries, that makes a big difference. Many people don't get that type of money as a salary. Here's more about BNB and how Rain BNB is using it. So why are they using BNB, and why are they using the OP BNB network? So most of us, we know that the Binance Smart Chain network, that's the normal one for BNB. But in 2023, OP BNB network was launched and created. And the reasons for that is to make transactions faster and the transactions cost lower. well, it keeps the transaction cost, the gas fees stay stable. It doesn't go up too much. It just stays stable. And that's the main reason why they opted to use the OPBNB network of the BNB coin. Because other smart contracts, later on, the gas fees, the transaction fees get so high that you cannot go on to work on those smart contracts anymore. Right? We see that this makes the transactions very, very fast, like in milliseconds, your transactions. That is why your withdrawals arrives within a second. That is the reason for that, because they're using the OPBNB network on your smart contract. Right, and here you can just see a screenshot of CoinMarketCap. First, we have Bitcoin, and we know what happened to Bitcoin. It went over $110,000 per one Bitcoin. So it is just up and down constantly. And we know that then the second one is Ethereum, and then these are both cryptocurrencies. Your third one is USDT. Now, this is a stable coin, so we cannot really put that in the same race as the other ones, because it is a stable coin. It's pegged to the United States dollar. But the fourth one is Ripple XRP, and then number 5 is BNB, the Binance coin. All right, so there's a very big optimistic feeling about BNB and for the future that we already talked about. So yes, but also the main reason for the OPBNB network is because the transaction fees are lower and it makes transactions extremely fast. And believe me, when I say fast, it's very fast. Like in milliseconds, your money reaches your wallet. Right, most important features of RainBNB. Let us just recap for clarification. There is no ownership control in RainBNB. Nobody owns this platform. The community owns this platform. Right, so it is fully decentralized and it runs on the blockchain. It's not website driven. Fully decentralized, it's got its own application. The smart contract is decentralized. Nobody can change it. Nobody can interfere with the codes in the smart contract. So you can work with peace of mind in RainBNB. You can, I don't want to use the word invest. You can buy positions in RainBNB with peace of mind, and you can know that your position will be there. Your money will not disappear. Your money will make money for you if you meet the requirements of the smart contract. Right, there's also absolute trust and transparency in this platform. And as I just said now, it's an unchangeable system. Nobody can change anything here. The compensation plan will never change. Nothing as it was written from day one. It will operate like that until the day that the internet stops to work on planet Earth. Right, the payouts are done instantly. No withdrawal request is required here. You get paid in a millisecond. The transaction fees is always low and it will always be stable. It will not escalate. Right, and it's got a global reach, and as I said already, you can work on RainBNB 24/7 globally around the world. And we know that the internet has made the world much, much smaller some years ago. So, and many of us have got families all over the world at this moment, that you know people in different countries. So you can reach out to many people all over the world because of the internet. It is also autonomous in operation, and when you register in RainBNB, there is no personal details required or captured from yourself. No cell phone, no email, no personal information is kept there. You only register, and what connects with the smart contract is your wallet's address. And there's no personal identity that is taken from yourself and stored anywhere. And we know that these days people are trying to get hold of data and selling the data. So that is not possible in RainBNB. Not at all, 100%. That's why it's autonomous. All right, I already said it's risk-free, liability-free, and it's scam-free. This is what we want. We want to have peace of mind. that we want to know we will get money, if we meet the requirements of the smart contract, we want to make extra income or full-time income. We can use this, we can trust this. If we follow the steps, the easy steps, which we will get to very soon, we will be successful. There is no liability, there's no products to worry about, there's no targets to meet, there's nothing like that here. You have freedom working in RainBnB. Right, there's no risk. There's absolutely no risk. It's a reputation building concept, and that is a very, very important point as well. Most of us, we come from this industry. We know, you know that feeling when you wake up that morning and the website is down or it's removed or you're waiting for your withdrawal, and then a couple of hours later you hear no, what platform is gone. Yeah, there's no, and then you must scramble to save your reputation or build it up again. And people don't want to look at you even or talk to you for months, for weeks, for years. But that is not even possible in RainBnB that will scam you or anything like that. So you can have peace of mind to talk to other people about this platform, because there is no chance that you can be scammed or the people can run away with your money or that you will lose your money. Absolutely zero chance. Now let us just reiterate here, the word trustless means that you do not have to trust a third party, a bank, or another person, or any other intermediary to operate between you and your cryptocurrency. You and you alone is working with the smart contract. Simply put, RainBnB is light years ahead of any other platform that this industry has seen in history. Right, so once again, I'm going to reiterate these points. Why is RainBnB the best platform currently in the world? The first reason is that no money is kept on the smart contract. And this is the biggest reason. Nobody can scam you. It is impossible for you to be scammed. There is no money that is kept on the smart contract, as you've seen in those first couple of slides. The smart contract manages all transactions immediately. There's no waiting on payments or withdrawals or anything like that. There's no need for you to trust any human being with your money. So yeah, as long as you've got an internet connection, you know that the smart contract will operate as it was designed to do. No one can change it. You will get paid immediately when you meet those requirements. There's no issue about that. The smart contract cannot be changed again. This means that you are basically guaranteed to get your payments when you meet the requirements of the smart contract. Reason number 3 is that no money is kept on the smart contract. Right, it's 100% paid out immediately. Nobody can move your money or steal your money or send it to another wallet. Reason number 4 is for you to start earning here in RainBnB, there's a once-off, low-cost startup of only about $3 or 60 Rand if you want South African. Startup cost. Take note, it's low cost. You don't have to fork out $50, not even $10, which is also a bit low cost. You don't even have to take out $50 or $100 if you compare it to other platforms, where you have to take out 100 minimum or 500 minimum or some even 1,000 for you to start earning money. This is also once off. There's no recurring payment that you need to do here. If your position is registered on the smart contract, there's no need for any extra payments after that. You can just upgrade and work on that position and build it up from there. You will never need to pay any extra. Obviously, if you have to upgrade, you can use your own money, but that's your choice, or you can use the money generated by your team that you will be building or that will assist you. This platform has got the best compensation plan once again. I haven't seen any other platform with this that can generate this type of income. Right, please, when you get some free time, or while you are on this call, take out your calculators and multiply 1.48 million the BNB with $650. and see if you can get to that, or you can even pronounce that number that you get there. I don't think any one of us will ever in our lifetime be able to use up that money. Right. So again, here's a couple of things that needs to be repeated and repeated again and again and again. RainBnB is 100% managed by the smart contract. The smart contract cannot be changed by anyone. No money is kept by the smart contract, or which can be sent to anyone else. 100% of the funds are distributed instantly to qualifying members. Instantly. There's no waiting. It is 100% risk-free. There's no risk involved in RainBnB. 0% risk. It's 100% scam-free. Since this operation or the start of RightBnB and RainBnB, no one has ever complained that they missed money or they have been scammed or anything like that. There is no chance that anyone can scam you here. No one can lose any money here. So this will guarantee that you will get paid if you meet the 3 easy requirements of this smart contract that I've been telling you about. The easy requirements. Now let's look at what is this. If you can count to 3, you can memorize them very easily. Number 1 is you register. Number 2 is you refer a minimum of 2 other people with your link, like-minded people. And that will qualify you to receive further payments and bonuses. Right, so that's step number 2. We'll get to these steps in detail a bit later. Right, then step number 3 is you need to upgrade to earn more BNB. That is the basic requirements of this. So it's step 1, step 2, step 3. And that is basically that. Let's look at the details in a little bit later as well. So do not overcomplicate it. I know many members, they're breaking their heads. They're trying to overcomplicate it. They're reading things in here which does not even exist. It is actually so easy that it looks too difficult for many people. But believe me, it's really this simple. You register, you refer a minimum of 2 of your link to qualify you for further payments and bonuses, and then you obviously just upgrade them. That's step number 3. You will be successful. So do not overcomplicate this. I know if it's your first time here, you will probably not understand exactly what is going on. Then just reach out to the person who invited you, or get back to your upline, and they will teach you and train you a bit more. Excuse me. All right, so we just need to keep to the basics. Basics right first, and then the rest will follow. Right, now let's look at part 2. And how do you get started? Let's look at more details on your registration and stuff. Right, there's basically 4 steps when you want to get started in RainBnB. First of all, everyone needs to have a Web3 wallet. You download any Web3 wallet which supports the OPBNB network of BNB. Right, you can use any wallet you are comfortable with, but we have seen that SafePal is the one that is mostly recommended because it's the most user-friendly one. It's also got more features than the other wallets, but you can work with any wallet that you are feeling comfortable with, as long as it does support the OPBNB network on BNB. That's the main thing. Right, a very important thing is that you don't have a choice. You must write down your 12 words for each wallet. And that is your only way that you can get back into your wallet if something happens to your device, or you lose your phone, or you lose access to that wallet. There is no other way that you can get back your access into that wallet if you lost those 12 words. Not even your password will get you back to them. So also very important, keep it out of the way of unscrupulous people's eyes, and keep it in a safe place. So that if you do not want to sit with $1,000 or $2,000 in your wallet and then you can't get access to it. This, people, is the only way that you can get access to these wallets. These 12 words. Write them down, keep them in a safe place. Make sure that you have them available. Right, do not take screenshots, do not upload them on the internet or to a cloud service because hackers can get access to it if you do not have proper security in place for that. Right, step number 2 is you fund your wallet with the minimum requirement of 0.0044 BNB, and that is around $2.50. When we started in September last year on Right BNB, it was around $2.60. So the BNB price, this price is about stable, but the value went up since 8-9 months ago. Right. You register yourself because you will need to have this BNB on your wallet before you register. Right now, you use the link of the person that referred you and you register. And then you write with the required BNB on the OPBNB network. That means that you upgrade while you are building your team then. Keep to the basic requirements. Refer your two people as soon as possible. And then also upgrade to qualify for bigger and better bonuses. So here's the basic requirements of the compensation plan, the minimum requirements. Keep note, this is the minimum, people. This is just the basics. This is just the minimum. You decide for yourself how much you want to earn, but I don't want to earn minimum. I want to max out the compensation plan as far as possible. So let's look at how we can do that. First of all, if you want to register and you only want to refer 2 people because that's the minimum, you load 0.005 BNB and then you can upgrade to influencer if you refer 2 people only. Right, but we have seen now and we recommend that you start at least on the ambassador rank, which is your 4th level. And that will cost you around $30. That might be more. Today it's about 33 maybe. But that is the amount of BNB that you will need. 0.0506 BNB will get you the ambassador rank. And then you still need to refer 2 people. Keep note, this is the minimum requirement still. Then as soon as you have enough BNB, you can upgrade or you can also pay funds from your own pocket. But that choice is up to your own self. Remember that it's only recommended to start on an ambassador at least, because the first 3 levels, the payments that you get there is not really gonna make you smile a big smile. If you start at ambassador, pioneer, or mentor or higher ranks, you will once those payments come in, your smile will just become bigger and bigger as you see how it grows. All right, so here you can make your own choices. You can make a million excuses or you can make $1 million. That choice is up to yourself. And we all know what the answer is. You know what you want to achieve. All right, so here are the basic package costs from beginner to all the ranks. There are 15 levels or 15 ranks in Rain BNB. And here's just a breakdown of the BNB value required to register on those ranks. Also the South African Rand value and the US dollar value. Keep note that this price is out of date because it was calculated at $600 per BNB, so it might slightly more today. So let's look at if you come in and you start on ambassador. Here you will fork out about $33. Pioneer, mentor, champion. If you can afford it, start on any of these ranks, at least. But if you can start on a higher rank, it's going to benefit you much more. Right, so we will now look at the income on all these levels, and you will see that the first 3 levels is not really life-changing and for some of you to smile about. But many of us have started on beginner and we have made a success just by organically building a 2x2x2x2 and upgrading very high. And I am aware of a member that went from beginner and the whole team only referred 2 people and he went straight to Emperor. And I think it took him 63 days. Now that was last year, but that is possible. It shows you it is possible, but it's just much faster and easier if you start on a higher rank and your whole team follows you and does the same. Right, so what are the bonuses in RainBNB? There are 6 types of bonuses in RainBNB, and not all of these bonuses are in RightBNB, the predecessor of RainBNB. We have a look at the 6 here. First of all, you have your 10% referral bonus. Now, this 10% referral bonus, you will receive 10% from every direct referral that registers on your link. Now, keep in mind that I mentioned that you need to refer 2 as a minimum. Keep that in mind. Here is already you can see that if you refer 10 people, 100 people, you'll get 10% from that. But if you can look at you can know what is the difference if you only refer 2 people and you're going to get 10%, whereas you're going to refer 10 or 20 or 100 people and you're going to get 10% from them as well. This 10% will give you a basic income, a type of income as well, just from this direct referral bonus. And you will not only get it when they register, you will also get it when your directs, when they upgrade. You will receive 10% from their upgrades as well. If you are on influencer rank minimum, and if your directs upgrade all the way to creator, which is the last rank, you will still receive 10% of the upgrade bonus. You will still receive that 10%. So that's why you can see now it is recommended that you need to refer, or you can refer as it's recommended that you refer as many as possible with your link. Right, so you will receive, if one of your directs upgrades all the way from to creator, you will receive in the region of 10 BNB, which at today's value is between $650 about. So that will give you about $6,500 from one direct when he upgrades all the way. So it will always be between 6 and 7,000 currently. It just depends on the value of the BNB coins. But that will stay the same always, and you will still receive that 10% from your directs when they upgrade. All right, so refer as many as possible as you can, because that won't only benefit yourself, it will benefit your own team as well. Because on your first level, you will have place for 2 people already, and if you do not have people there already, then your other directs will fall under your team and under your own members. So that will assist yourself, it will assist their team as well. Now the next bonus is your direct referral bonus, 69% direct referral bonus. This you get when you register a person with your link, and they will pay you 69% of their basic package cost will go to you for every direct. So here's also, there's a number of directs, just for a table here for you. Even if you refer 100 people with your direct link, they will pay you in the region of 0.2 BNB. And that is around maybe $200 around there. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is still not a life-changing money. The life-changing money is still coming, and you will see now why. But this is just one of the bonuses, and you can decide how many you want to refer. But keep in mind the minimum is 2. You will not be paid, or you will not receive any bonuses if you do not have 2 direct referrals. Right, but aim for the stars and see what you eat on the way down. Right, so refer as many as possible. Now here is the big money that is life-changing. This is your 69% upgrading bonus. Now this is the biggest income in this platform, and here is where many members have become millionaires in a very short space of time. And there is nothing that stops you and me from doing that as well. All right, so let's look at this table quickly. There's a lot of colors here, so remember I said it's recommended that you start on at least one of these 4 levels. So that's why those are green. If you start on ambassador, you will receive around 170, depending on the BNB price, 160, $170 if all 16 people on your level 4 upgrades to ambassador. Plus, you will still receive the income from the upgrades of your level 2 and 3 as well. So if you do not understand now what I'm talking about, I'll get to the picture now. Each level has got everything doubles in rank, in number, and in bonuses, and the money that comes to you. Everything doubles on each level as you go up. So on your first level, which does not show you, there's place for 2 people only, and they will pay you normally when they register. Then when they get 2, those 2 will fall on your second level in a basic organic build. So those 4 people on your second level, they will pay you when they upgrade to influencer, and they will pay you all 4, will give you in the region of $11. So you can see for yourself, that's not really much. Your third level, there's 8 people that will pay you when they upgrade to Achiever, and they will pay you in the region of between 40, maybe $42 to $45. And that is still not a bit life-changing, but then from ambassador, you can start seeing a difference. Just also remember, you need to be on the rank to receive these bonuses. You need to be on the rank or higher to receive these bonuses. But once you get to the mentor and champion ranks and you start receiving that money, that is when your eyes start to grow wider and wider, and you start seeing that this can maybe become a full-time job, and you can start considering doing that. So yes, that is, you can decide if you want to only build a team or you want to use money out of your pocket to upgrade as high as you can, and then start building that way so that your team follows you, which is recommended and which is the fastest way. But here you can see that what you can earn. And this is the amount of BNB, 1.48 million BNB that you can accumulate if you max out from one position. If you are on creator and all of these 54,000 people on your level 15 has upgraded to creator. Right, don't think it's impossible. Remember, it's only impossible until it's done. That is another thing that we need to remember. Right, so this is the biggest income, ladies and gentlemen. Many members' lives have been changed by this platform and by Right BNB. Many members have earned in the region of 500 to 1,000 BNB or over 100 BNB at least. And that is definitely possible. Do not think that it is impossible or it looks far-fetched. It is definitely possible. You and you alone are sitting with the key and the decision if you will want to achieve it or if you do not want to achieve it. Right, so how is your tree set up? The matrix tree in RainBNB, there's basically 2 matrices. Your binary matrix, which is this one, which pays you on your upgrading bonuses. And then there's the linear bonus or the level matrix bonus. Or the level matrix, that pays you for the recurring level bonus. And we'll get to that now. But here is what I was talking about. On your first level, there's place for 2 people or 2 positions. They will normally pay you when they register. And that is very small money for beginner. So on your second level, there's place for 4 positions. And when they upgrade to influencer, they will pay you. Those upgrade funds will go to you because it's on level 2 and it's the second rank, which is influencer. The payments goes up 2 levels. The same on level 3 and so on level 4. And I'll get to another picture on the following screen. You can see it more clearly. So this is you. This is your first level, and there's place for 2 positions only. Your second level has got place for 4 positions. Then your third level, there's place for 8. And when they upgrade to Achiever rank, which is your third rank, from your third level, the payments goes up 3 levels. And that goes up to you. Same with your level 4. There's place for 16 positions. When they upgrade to the 4th level rank, which is ambassador, they will pay you 16 times when all of these positions upgrade. All of those payments will go to you. Take note if you are an ambassador yourself as well. If you are not an ambassador, those payments will skip you and it will go above you to the next qualifying member. All right, so this will just double everything in size and in number. Level 5 has got 32 positions that will pay you when they upgrade to a Pioneer. Just remember, if you are already on a higher rank, you will still receive all the outstanding upgrade funds will still come to you, given that you are on that rank or higher. So on level 7, there's 128 people that will pay you in the region of around $80. So that is quite a good amount of money for anyone in the world to receive that. That is, if you are on champion or higher and your level 7 people start to upgrade to champion. All right. Also keep in mind that you will still receive the outstanding payments from your levels below you. All right. And always remember that payments always goes up. Payments are never sent down. So that is because it's a community building platform, the payments always goes up. And we cannot change the way that the smart contract pays you. Because, as I said before, the codes or the laws are written already and no one can change that. So it might take you a couple of a day, a week, or weeks to understand how that works. But just remember that it will work as it was written or designed to work. And many people have think now that is wrong or you missed the payment. But most times we discover that you do not understand, or the members do not understand how it works. Just remember that this smart contract cannot make a fault. All right, then our fourth bonus is the 1.4%, or 1.5% recurring level bonus. Now this 1.5%, you will receive 1.5% of the basic package cost of all the registrations and upgrades in your direct team from level 2 to level 15. If you are on influencer and you have 2 directs as influencer, keep well, this is the requirement to receive this. This is a type of a passive daily income, depending on how active your team are. So here you will receive 1.5% from your level 2 to level 15. Every registration and upgrade will pay you 1.5% of their basic package cost. That will go to you directly. And that will be available for you to withdraw. So what I also tell people, this is like raindrops. And that's where the name RainBNB comes from. It literally looks like raindrops in your wallet when you see this coming in on a constant, daily basis. Now it might look small. You might think that 1.5%, what's that? No, that it does look small, but at the end of the day, remember that each drop in the ocean is filling it. So you need each drop to fill that ocean. Do not despise this 1.5%. It does help a lot. And if you leave it to accumulate, it's making a huge difference. Here's a screenshot of one of the accounts that only this level of bonus, and this contract was launched on the 16th of January. So this screenshot was taken about a month and a half ago. And then it already accumulated 2 BNB, over 2 BNB since the 16th of January, only from this 1.5%. So this is over $1,000 of people just from this one bonus in that short time. By this time now, it has increased a lot. It's close to 3 BNB by this time now already. So do not despise this 1.5%. When you do register, get yourself qualified as soon as possible to influencer and get your 2 directs up to influencer as well. This does make a huge difference. And many people are liking this very much. And we've seen what KK has explained, that if you upgrade, if you build your team 7 levels deep up to champion, all people upgrade to champion, then from this recurring level bonus, you will receive a huge amount of income only from from this recurring level bonus. And that's not even counting in your upgrading bonus and the direct referral bonuses. That's only from this bonus. It's a huge amount of money which you will get just from this, because you will receive everything where the people upgrades up until champion. You will get 1.5% from everyone, given that everyone does refer 5 direct referrals, and you build it 7 levels deep, and everyone upgrades to champion. But that's more details for you to decide in your teams. Now here's just a basic breakdown or a diagram of how this structure is working or explained. So you see the difference between the binary matrix, which got a left leg and a right leg. This one has got a uni level or a straight leg, basically. Your level 1 is unlimited. This is your direct referrals, the green ones. The red ones are their direct referrals, and the blue ones are your level 2 people direct referrals. So these people will pay you from level 2, 1.5% from everything that happens in their teams, from your level 2 to level 15. Right, so do not despise this recurring level bonus. It does make a huge difference. Now, number 5 is the royalty bonus. And many people, they do want active or passive income. Many members have joined just to receive this active passive income. I don't know why I'm saying active the whole time. Passive income, that's what people want. So they upgrade straight to icon. This is your 10th rank. Then you will qualify. If you have 2 direct referrals, you will qualify to receive this royalty bonus, which is paid out every 24 hours. If you do qualify, and for you to qualify, you need to have 2 direct referrals, which is compulsory. And you will only earn twice the amount of your total investment. And then then the bonus will stop. So then you need to upgrade to the next rank, then it will start paying you again. But you will also only receive from the highest rank. You will not receive, let's say for instance, you are on Emperor. You will only receive this 0.6% from Emperor on the bonus. You will not receive the Legend and the Icon 1% as well. Right, this gets paid out every 24 hours. This you have to claim in your back office under the royalty and rewards tab every 24 hours, which this gets paid directly to your wallet, which you can withdraw if you need to. So that will be available every 24 hours. Right, then the last bonus in Rain BNB is the lifestyle bonus. Now this lifestyle bonus has got 5 different clubs or lifestyle rewards, and each one has got a different qualifying criteria, but with also bigger benefits. So let's look at the first one, and many members have already achieved this, the Prime Club. Here you will receive 0.5% daily, but it will get paid out on a weekly basis, right up until you receive $3,000 in BNB. And then this bonus will stop. Right, the qualifying criteria for you is you need to be on director rank yourself, which is rank 8, and you must have 5 directs as champion, 5 direct referrals as champions. Keep in mind again the direct referrals, the number of direct referrals. Remember, the minimum is 2. But this to qualify and to qualify for this bonus, you need a minimum of 5 directs. You will see now why it's more recommended to refer as many as possible. Right, you need to be on director rank, and you must have 5 directs as champions. You will receive that 0.5%, which will accumulate and gets paid out weekly until you receive the total value of $3,000 in BNB. Then this bonus will stop. So this 3,000, you will not receive it at once or in one go. You will receive it every small amount every week until you reach $3,000. So the next club is Elite Club, and here you receive also 0.5% daily, which will get paid out to you weekly until you receive the value of $25,000 in BNB. And here you can see also how it basically just accumulates. To qualify for the elite club, you need to be on Conqueror yourself, and you must have 3 emperors as directs. So we've seen here that there's 5 directs, yes, 3. On the next club, the Royal Club, you receive 0.2% on a daily basis, which will get paid out to you weekly until you receive the value of $50,000 in BNB. And you need to be on a Chancellor yourself, and you need to be 5 directs as conquerors. Right, we're saying 5, 3, 5. Your Crown Club will pay you 0.15% daily, and that will be paid out to you weekly until you receive $100,000 in BNB. You need to be on the last rank on Creator yourself, and you must have 7 directs. So here we can see already above 5 directs. And those 7 directs must be chancellors as well. Right, then your last club is your Supreme Club. So here you will receive 0.15% daily, which will get paid out to you weekly until you receive $500,000 in BNB, $500,000. You need to be on a creator rank yourself, and you must have 10 directs as creators. So here we see it's 5 directs, 3, 5 directs, 7 directs, 10 directs. So I said to you, aim for the stars, and if you hit the moon, you will still score there. Right. So aim for as many directs as you can, as possible, because it will benefit you. It will benefit your team as well. Right, I spoke about the future roadmap in the beginning, and here's the plans of the creators or the developers of RainBNB and RightBNB. They are planning to launch, and we are told that in the next 3 to 4 months, some of these projects will be launched. We do not have much information about them yet, but they are planning to launch their own gaming token, their own exchange, their own trading bot, their own gaming projects, even their own blockchain, and also other Web3 projects like NFTs and so on. We do not have much clarity and details about them yet, but yes, what they are doing now is they are building up the community. So if your community is active, you and your community which is active will benefit from these platforms or programs that they will launch. So that is the another main reason for building a huge active community and having an active community, because you will benefit from these projects as well. All right, now here's just some extras that I included. Achievements from starting on beginner, or the difference actually between starting on beginner and starting on a higher rank of ambassador. So these 2 on the left started in September last year, 2024, on beginner both, and they just referred 2 people each. So it took this one, the first one, it took him 4 months to reach the Titan rank. Right, he upgraded with $894, which accumulated in his team, and that gave him about $7,000 that he accumulated. So it shows you it is possible if you want to start on beginner and build it just 2 by 2 organically. The same with this one. It took this account 7 months to reach champion, and it paid $227 and it made $2,500 since September last year. Now, take note, this was about a month ago when this was put up. There's a difference already now. This one, these 2 started in May. This one started on the 1st of May. Not May, I mean March. Sorry. It paid $456 and it accumulated $1,100. But it started on ambassador, and the whole team followed and started on ambassador. This account reached director rank, which is rank 8, in 14 days only. Just see the difference. Titan rank is rank 9, director is rank 8. It took this account 14 days to reach director. It took this account 4 months to reach Titan. The difference, everyone started on ambassador. Most people here started on beginner. This is the difference, starting on a higher level or higher rank. And another account in the same team started on, or took 4 days to reach mentor because he also started on ambassador. And he paid $113 and he made $244 in that short space of time. And then something else that I included here, which most people always ask you is before they want to, or they consider to join, when you talk to them is, have you made money? Show me your money. Show me, have you received the money in your bank account? Yes, many members worldwide have received the money, and here is the proof. This is for South Africa now. But you need to know that, and as I said previously, when RainBnB pays directly to your wallet, you have already been paid. It's like as good as it's in your bank account already. You just need to exchange it and send it to your bank. If it's in your wallet, you have been paid, you received it. But we also understand that many people do not know crypto, or they not clued up with crypto, they do not know how it works. So we just need to be a little bit tolerable and explain to them how it works. So yes, that is, and all the proof is available if you ask the members or your upline to show you that. Right, now we are remaining with 2 questions at the end of this presentation. You need to ask yourself, or you can only answer these questions yourself. What is your why? Why are you here? And the answer is most likely you want to make more money, or you want to make money, or more money. That is the main reason for most people. That is your why. But deeper than that is you have your children to put through university. You have a business that you want to boost or to start. Another business that you want to support, or you have a debt to pay off, or you have medical aid or bills to pay, or seek family members to look after. That what is driving you to reach those goals. For reaching those goals, you need vitamin M, and that vitamin M is money. It's finances. So you need to ask yourself, what are you waiting for? Now, I showed you what you can achieve in RainBnB or with RainBnB if you keep to 3 basic steps. And that you have to answer yourself. And the best time to start was yesterday. But we were not here yesterday, so the next best time to start is right now. So reach back to the person who invited you, or reach out to them, or your upline, or the person that invited you, and ask them to get you started as soon as possible. And also I want to show you here what procrastination does not lead to anything. Even the Bible tells us that he who watches the wind, he does not sow. So if you look at things that's coming your way and it's making you afraid or cautious, you will not take action. As I said also in the beginning, do your own research. Don't rely on others just to tell you something. Take action. Read up yourself. Look at the stuff yourself. Don't listen to naysayers and people trying to discourage you if they do not, or if they are not successful, if they haven't reached anything. Ask the people who does have the knowledge. And it also says that he who looks at the clouds, he will not reap. He does not reap. So if you do not take action, if you look for excuses, you will not be successful. You will not receive anything. So that the ball is in your court. You need to decide, and you need to pull the trigger and take action. Right, so I thank you for your time, and I thank you for attending this presentation. And please get back to the person who invited you, and let the rain start with BNB. Right, so you can build your business that pays you for the rest of your life. But as I said, the secret of getting ahead is to get started. So take action. I thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for your time, and have a good day and a good night. I don't know if there's anyone that still wants to say anything. Or if,
Yeah, Johan, thank you so much, Johan.
okay.
Warm welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is KK here, and Johan, I must congratulate you. I first time I went through your presentation, and it was really awesome. It was a little longer, but it was very well explained and very comprehensive. Okay, the people who would have paid attention, definitely they would have understood the most of what the Rain BNB has to offer to the new people. So I must congratulate you. You have done a wonderful job, explained everything in detail, made your own PPT. That's really interesting. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's the Rain BNB opportunity, what it is offering to people around the world. And in last almost 10 months, tomorrow is going to be the 10th month history or month anniversary, monthly anniversary, whatever you call it, for Rain BNB. And in these last 10 months, Rain BNB and its first project, Right BNB, combining together, we have you know, community members over 765,000 users. And many of them who are active, who have understood and taken this business seriously, are really earning a lot from the platform. Some of them have been doing it on full-time basis, some of them on part-time basis, some of them they started, but they are, some timers, and some of them have really, after getting a start, they are not paying attention, so they are now no more in the business called no timers. But definitely, if you compare this project with all the coexisting projects, which are, similar looking, as good as network marketing, multi-level marketing, referral marketing, online marketing, whatever name you give it to, Rain BNB is top class platform, low startup cost, no running cost, zero risk, and you are the co-owner of this platform. These are the unique added features that make this platform absolutely must do. And in last 10 months, a lot of people have made a lot of incomes. Many of them have become multimillionaires. Some of them are in the process to become multimillionaire. You too can earn something similar to this. We have regular training sessions also, currently in English, thrice in a week. In training sessions, we share with you how to build up this business. We educate you not only about the cryptocurrencies, but also about the blockchain, smart contract, and how to build up your Rain BNB business. What all things you need to know and apply and implement, and you must duplicate the same as far as your teams are concerned, help them to get this duplicated. So that's why you're not alone in this business. Startup cost is low. You can do it along with your job or your existing business, part-time or full-time. It's totally up to you. The more time you will give to this business and the more activities you are going to do on daily regular basis, definitely the profits are going to be much, much more, because we all know mathematically we are earning, our profits is directly proportional to the time we invest into any job business. Okay, so the more time people who are giving and they are following the protocols, the guidelines, the rules, regulations, they have been earning very well. People who are doing it on part-time basis, they are also earning reasonably well, but according to the investment of that time. This platform does not require investment in terms of your money, guys. Initially, to start with, definitely you have to pay some upgrade fee. But after that, all the new upgradation that you will be making in the system, that you will be executing through the earning you will be making from the platform. So just a one-time setup cost. Once you register with beginner package, you just need to upgrade yourself once and for all. Maybe for me, the best sweet spot is mentor. For many people now started, promoting champion rank, and some of them are still coming up with pioneer and ambassador, but not below that. And you too can choose anything of your choice. Rank is not that important, but also the most important thing is your willingness to learn and to build this business for yourself. No matter what situation is, how people react and respond to you, it's not going to affect or matter the most how you are taking this project, how serious you are about this project. That is going to make a big difference. This Sunday, coming 8th of June, we are going to have a big open seminar, of course, in India. Indians are really on their toes, trust me. And that's the reason they are the leading earners of BNB in Rain BNB across the world. But anybody and everybody can beat the top earners, maybe from your country, maybe from somewhere else. It only requires the dedication, discipline, commitment towards this platform. This is highly money fishing. It's not only a earning program, get rich quick program, but it also going to transform your thinking, your mindset, and it will make you the best version of yourself. Trust me. I'm into this industry for last 25 years before I got into Rain BNB. But trust me, I have also learned a lot of things, I was thinking earlier that I'm into network marketing, multi-level marketing for so many years, and I know most of the thing. But this Rain BNB concept has taught me a lot of new things, which has become instrumental in my upgradation on personal front, professional front, and of course, the financial level also. You too could get and earn all those benefits provided you give time to this business. So thank you so much for your time, for joining. I'm sure if anybody available and wants to put some, points, you're most welcome. You can raise hand. Tomorrow is going to be a training session. We will definitely take up your questions in the training sessions. Training sessions are meant for your, clarifications about certain concerns and question you have. And of course, a lot of inputs we share with you. So thank you so much for coming and joining this session. See you tomorrow. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Good day and good night.